Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, we are diving into the financial results of a company that might make your roads smoother, but their own financial path might have a few bumps. It's Gencor Industries, and we are looking at their latest report. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can discuss these filings with other interested people. Gencor Industries just released their financial results for the full year and the last quarter of 2024. Let's break down what they revealed in their press release. The company issued a press release announcing its financial results. It's a summarized version of their performance, and that's where we are going to get our information. Now, since we deal with the full year, it looks like a good time to get into the numbers. Fortunately, the report attached doesn't contain the hard numbers itself, so we can't dive deep into their financial situation. If the company provides detailed numbers in their future filings like their 10K report, you can expect to see a much more detailed analysis here. This document is called an 8K. Companies file these reports when big things happen, things that investors should know about right away. Think of it as an FYI for important events. This part is basically asking if Gencor considers themselves a young growing company under SEC rules. It helps determine what kind of regulations they need to follow. They said they are not an emerging growth company. This section is about the type of stock Gencor has and where it is traded. Their common stock with a par value of 10 cents is listed on the NYSE American. Finally, we have the signatures. The President and Chief Financial Officer signed off on the report. This confirms that the information in the report is, to the best of their knowledge, accurate. Generally, as we said, this document serves to present the report about their financial situation. Often it's difficult to see the whole picture of the company from this type of report because it contains no financial numbers. Now, without the concrete financial data, we can't make definitive conclusions about Gencor's financial health, but based on the filing, if it was any other type of filing with actual data, here's how something like that could look, Sue. Let's talk about strengths and weaknesses. If we knew the real numbers, strengths could be a growing revenue stream. If Gencor has been consistently increasing its sales, that's a good sign. It could mean they're winning more contracts or expanding into new markets. Also, if their profit margins are healthy, that shows they're managing their costs effectively. Weaknesses could be high debt. If Gencor has taken on a lot of debt, that could be a burden on their finances. Also, if their industry is highly competitive, that could put pressure on their prices and profit margins. Some risks could also include economic downturns. Road construction often depends on government funding, so a slowdown in the economy could affect Gencor's business. Also, if the prices of materials like asphalt go up, that could hurt their profits. Opportunities would include government infrastructure spending, new geographic markets, and the development of more efficient or environmentally friendly road construction technologies. In conclusion, it's very hard to see what direction the company is going right now due to lack of data. If you want the real insights, you need their detailed financial reports, the 10K or 10Q filings. Alright, that's our quick look at Gencor Industries' latest filing. What's your take on this report, or lack thereof, and what might be happening with the company's operations? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was helpful, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.